this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Facebook page for your business. So we're gonna go to the hamburger menu on the top right section of Facebook on the phone. We're gonna scroll down until we see pages here. Here we have our pages. All you gotta do is go on the top left and see create. We're gonna press the plus button and we're gonna press get started. Let's name our page Oreo Cookies. Here you put whatever name you want on your business. We're gonna press next. We're gonna choose our category, which will be grocery store. Create. We wait for it to load up. You're gonna put your business bio, our contact, which will be your website, your email and your phone number's business, the location, where the location is in. So another important thing, you put your location's availability. For me, it's always open, but in your case, it may be different. We're gonna add an action button. Try it. So for me, I want to get, let's see, I want to get an online store. It's for e-commerce or whatever stores you have, but you may choose whatever fits your shop. Okay. So for me, it's buy now to open an online store. Next, I'm going to add my website link. I don't have a website link, so I leave it blank, but you may add it. Okay. After that, we're going to press next. You're going to add your phone number if you want. You have to invite your friends if you really want to grow your audience and get better engagement. And you'll get notifications from your page. Another important thing, you add your photos over here. Your profile picture would be your logo and the banner of it, which will be whatever you may like. And that's it. This is how you start a business on Facebook. This is how you create a page for your business.